How to stop snoring. What to know about snore. What is a snoring sound? Snoring is the sound of the soft palate and other soft tissue in the upper airway vibrating. This can include the uvula, tonsils, adenoids, nasal turbines and other surrounding tissue. These vibrations happen when air can't move freely through your airway, which causes the floppy soft tissue to flap and make noise. Why does snoring only happen during sleep? When we fall asleep, many muscles in our body relax. This is true of the muscles in our airway. Because we are lying down while we sleep, gravity compounds this relaxation to set up snoring, whether it's your jaw falling open, your tongue falling back or your throat giving way to the weight around it. Snoring occurs when this normal relaxation is added to abnormal airway obstruction. Why doesn't air flow freely? Airflow becomes turbulent when there is an obstruction in the airway causing a partial blockage. The obstruction can be in several areas in the upper airway, sometimes concurrently, tongue. When this falls back, it can block your airway. Soft palate. This is the soft tissue behind the harder roof of your mouth. Excess floppy tissue here stops air flowing freely. Nose. The nose is the more efficient way of breathing, and when dysfunctional, mouth breathing ensues and heightens the risk of snoring. Breathing through a partially blocked nose can also create whistling and popping sounds, or even cause suction that collapses your airway. Knowing your obstruction is the starting point in identifying what causes your snoring. If you are lucky, there is one cause for your snoring. You can tackle this and sleep quietly. More often than not, multiple factors snoring of our body. This includes the muscles of the airway. Sex. Men are more likely to snore than women. This is due to several reasons, including how fat is differently distributed, contrasts in male and female airway anatomy and hormones. Conclusion. By understanding the basis of snoring, you can know clearly what makes you snore. There are many snoring remedies and solutions available, including products that enthusiastically tell you that this will stop you snoring. Many of them do work very effectively, but only if they are well matched to you and your snoring. Understanding how your snoring works and finding your specific causes is the first step towards healthier, quieter nights. As to stop snoring naturally, I recommend an exercises program that can help you to heal your snoring quickly at home without medications, surgery or devices. Please click the link below and take action as soon as today to stop your snoring immediately. https://snore-sleepapnea.healyourpain247.com